Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your TRX tokens from Coinbase to Metamask. Whether you're building your portfolio or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some TRX in it and a Metamask wallet installed on your device. If you don't have Metamask yet, download it from the App Store or their official website. It's free and user-friendly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find your TRX balance. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to open the details. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, double-check that you're selecting the correct network. TRX operates on the Tron blockchain, so ensure Metamask is set up for Tron compatibility. Metamask supports this through extensions or by adding the Tron network manually. Now, for step 2. Enter your Metamask wallet address. Open Metamask on your device, switch to the Tron network if needed, and copy the wallet address. Paste it into the withdrawal field on Coinbase. Be extremely careful here. Double-check the address to avoid sending your TRX to the wrong place, which could mean losing it forever. Step 3. Review the transaction details. Coinbase will show you the amount, network fees, and estimated arrival time. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your TRX there, ready to use. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in Metamask. Remember, crypto can be risky, so always stay cautious and keep your private keys secure. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.